The Japanese expression yorimichi describes a stop along the way that can lead to new discoveries. This is what happened to me in Fukushima Prefecture. I stopped into a restaurant for lunch. When speaking to the woman who owned the restaurant about my sightseeing journey, she suggested I look for the Tatsuzawa Fudo Waterfall. It is times like this when you really experience the benefit of travel. If I hadn't spoken with her, I would never have had the chance to see this impressive waterfall. This out-of-the-way waterfall measures 10 meters high, 16 meters wide, and is situated in a very narrow valley. Doesn't it resemble a giant black taiko drum?